All right. Project Lead the Way is a national nonprofit organization, and their mission and vision is to give people better job opportunities. Intro to Engineering Design is where you do CAD work, you do sketching, design project kind of stuff. And like I said, there's other ones. There's computer science and the medical stuff, but or you're designing a desk or something like that. And then there's Principles of Engineering. That's the one I teach, where you've got some of the physics kind of stuff in there, bridge unit and work energy power type stuff. And then there's Digital Electronics, which is all about integrated circuits and resistors and just a little bit of really basic level programming. And
if you're a team, there's several stuff that you can do. You either can be a scout, a floater, a driver, or a coach. The floaters, they help reset the field and stuff, see if everybody's good. The drivers, there are two drivers for the robot. They both have to communicate with the coach. And for scouts, they have to see other teams and how they're doing.
we build stuff out of those using them to demonstrate simple machine kind of stuff, but then we also get into automation types of things, using programming. It's just saying as soon as it sees a certain value from the sensor, then start the motors. So for somebody learning how to program, there's not that many lines to learn, and what you do is you look up examples like that and you copy how that works. Here we have a partially disassembled electronics test bed. So this just has a variety of instruments on it. It's got the Cortex controller on it, which is the brain. That's the programmable part of it that you hook up to a computer. And then, for example, that's a light sensor thing, so you can cover that with your finger and then it'll read differently, and that's just a push button. This is a limit switch. This thing here that spins around is an encoder, so it counts how many revolutions are going, and then this is a potentiometer, so if it's at this angle and then you turn it 10 degrees, it measures that. I mean, you can program it to do anything you want. That's the type of thing we teach people how to do. And then over here we've got just a little Vex robot kind of put together. It's not wired up, but it's got motors on the sides here, and then that runs this gear and that runs these wheels, so they both turn. This is a robot arm that computer manufacturing uses. So they program it to pick up an object and then put it down somewhere else. So this is a CNC mill. CNC is computer numerically controlled, and it basically means it's run by a computer. So this table will move back and forth according to how it's programmed, and it makes stuff like this. If this was turned on, I'd hit the button and it would go up, right? But right now it's not turned on. But this is what it cut out, and it fits together nicely. It's pretty neat stuff.